Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. I've got 3 updates for you. Like the video says, we have an update on our Ultra Gloss vinyl film by VVIVID. This is Nardo Gray. I installed it myself. I reviewed it in a previous video. But today what's different is we have way more sunlight than when I finished the video and shared it. So we're gonna pull it outside, run some errands, get some video footage of what the car looks like in the sun, some photos for Instagram, and we'll share it with you. The next update that I have is we have to do something about the corner of my garage here. It's just getting out of control. I don't have any storage. I've got all these bins around the corner over there that have tools in them and stuff that should be in cabinets. So we've ordered cabinets. So they're gonna actually take up all this space here. And then I'm gonna put a couple of the cabinets around the corner. So that should give me a lot more workspace. And then I sold my truck. So you may have noticed just in the background that my GMC Sierra Denali 2013 is nowhere to be seen. So it's gone, but it's time to look at replacing it because whatever I buy, I need to break it in so I can start using it to tow in the summer. So that purchase has to happen soon. So if there's time in this video, I'll stop by and show you what I'm looking at. So let's go run these errands, get some pictures of this gloss, get some video footage of this glossy wrap, and then we'll check out the truck. Let's go. Alright guys, found a parking spot in the sun over there. Let's see how glossy this finish is on this vinyl wrap. The vinyl wrap is looking pretty good. Let's see it from the front. Notice the gold supports in behind the grille. Nice little touch. Matches the calipers. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving the wheels. I don't know what you guys think, but the bronze wheels, nice custom touch. All right, that's enough admiring the wrap. Let's go see what kind of truck I'm thinking of. Okay, here we are at one of the GMC dealerships, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get one of these. 2021 GMC AT4. Not sure if I'm gonna go white, but it's definitely gonna have the 6.2 That one only has the 5.3 liter, so it won't actually be that truck. Elevation, SLE, there's another white. There's a white AT4 there. So you can zoom in a bit. So it might be one of those. That one's got the diesel. I think I'm still leaning towards the 6.2 liter. Diesel's pretty popular though now, I hear. Another elevation. Here we go. I am thinking maybe black. Let me know what you think, white or black. Either way, you know me, I might wrap it. Oh, that one's a Duramax as well. Duramax diesel. Anyway, I got a couple choices and I got 2 to 4 weeks to decide, I think. So let me know what you think, but that's a bit of an update for you. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I will get out of the car and I will show a white one, a black one, and the gray color, even though it's not an AT4. You guys let me know what you think. But I'll have my BMW in the foreground and then we can see what might look best when parked in the driveway. So let's get out and have a look. Alright guys, we're at the end of the video. I'm back home now. You got to see the Ultra Gloss wrap that I installed in the sunlight. I think it looks pretty good. You also got a little update on the garage cabinets that I'm going to be putting in the garage. That'll be in an upcoming video as well, and I'll show you the full assembly of that. And they're from Costco, so you might know which ones they are. And I gave you a preview into which truck I might be buying to replace the one that I sold. So if you like today's video, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, it'd be awesome to have you subscribe to the channel. It's growing pretty fast and I'm really excited on where it could go. Anyway, we'll talk to you next time. See you later.